Here is the question. May 2 years na po akong tourist visa holder dito sa Canada pero hindi pa rin ako nakakakuha ng work permit. Hihingi po sana ako ng tulong sa inyo na matulungan ako makakuha ng work permit. Willing naman akong magbayad sa inyo. Ito po yung aking explanation. Visitor's Visa to Work Permit. Ano na po ba ang mga bagong patakaran ng 2025? As of August 28, 2024, IRCC ended the special COVID-era policy that allowed visitors to apply for work permit from inside Canada. Kaya po ngayon, kahit nasa Canada kayo, bilang isang tourist, hindi na po pwedeng mag-apply ng work permit ng direkta sa loob ng bansa, maliban na lang kung may job offer at special exemption. However, you can apply outside Canada. Pwede pa rin. You still need that LMIA. Hanap ng employer na magbibigay ng job offer or that comes with an LMIA. Mag-apply ng work permit online. Kahit nasa Canada po kayo, ang application ay process as if outside Canada. Kailangan nyo ng valid passport, job offer letter, LMIA approval kung kinakailangan, at ang resume or proof of status at iba pang supporting documents. I will repeat again, you will need an LMIA if you are a tourist visa holder here in Canada. Also, panatilihin ang legal status. Kung malapit nang mag-expire ang visitor's visa ninyo, mag-apply po kayo ng visitor's record extension. Hindi po kayo pwedeng magtrabaho hanggat hindi pa approve ang work permit. Processing time, year 2025. Application type, LMIA can be 6 to 8 weeks after submission. Work permit outside Canada stream, 6 to 10 weeks. And visitor's record extension can be up to 60 days. Special options, spousal open work permit, kung may asawa kayong may PGWP or skilled worker permit, or caregiver program kung may job offer sa NOC 44100 or 44101, or study to work pathway, mag-aral muna ng PSW or caregiver course, then apply for PGWP. Bilang isang lisensyadong consultant, ang pinakamainam kong may papayo sa iyo, ito ay isang practical, honest, and strategic roadmap. Batay sa kasalukuyang immigration status, ito ang maaari kong i-advise sa iyo step by step. Find an employer who can offer you an LMIA. Whatever position they can offer you, grab that opportunity. Number 2, maintain your legal status here in Canada. Kung malapit nang mag-expire ang iyong visitor's record, I advise you to apply for extension immediately. I emphasize that working without authorization is illegal and can affect future permanent residency applications. Just be careful. Legitimate pathways. LMIA base for work permit. My job offer from employer willing to apply for LMIA. Caregiver, home support worker pilot, my job offer under NOC 44100 or 44101, or spousal open work permit if legally married to PGWP or skilled worker permit holder. PSW or caregiver training if willing to study and transition to PGWP pathway. Provincial nominee or PNP if residing in province offering in-demand stream. As a licensed immigration consultant, I do not provide employment services or job placement. My role is to advise on immigration law, prepare applications, and guide you through legal pathways such as work permit, LMIA processes, or permanent residency, depending on your situation. If you're looking for an employer, I recommend using authorized job platforms or recruitment agencies. Once you secure a valid job offer, I will be happy to assist with all the required immigration steps.